Welcome back to H.A.M. Today we have a 2024 Nissan Sentra. Came in due to her AC blowing a little warm. In the past we have filled it, but we didn't see a leak because, well, there's no dye in the system. So today she brought it in. We changed out the schrader valves because they seem to be leaking. But I got 32 degrees blowing out the dash, which is great. The AC's draining, but here's the surprise when I just backed the car out. And I still have it running outside. That's the fresh dye. That's coming from the AC drain. Unfortunately means a 2-year-old car needs an evaporator core, which is wild to even think that a 2-year-old car needs an evaporator core. I'm gonna step outside and we're gonna see if we can just see the proof. Nissan. $2024. She's blowing ice cold. Pop down here. Let's see. Yeah, looks too bright out here to actually see. But if you wait just a second, I will back up once again and we'll inspect that spot just to clarify that it is actually dye coming from the evaporator core. We'll close this door before the brand new car freaks out. It says put it in park. No. It is, so I don't know if my light's gonna pick it up. You can clearly see a green tint. Not as bright as inside because it's a little darker inside, but it's a 2-year-old car. That's mind-blowing. That an evaporator core is already bad at this. Well, y'all seen it yourself. I'm gonna go call our client and inform her. Still blowing cold. How long it lasts for, and we'll give her a quote and see if she wants to proceed with just pulling out the dash. Brand new car with we're good. Sorry, camera won't focus. No, camera's not focusing. It's only got 34,590 miles. That's mind blowing. But hey, not all cars are built great these days, apparently. Y'all stay tuned. All right. Well, I went and grabbed the temperature gauge again, and you can see the temperature has already climbed back up to 62. I do have a picture of it reading 32 degrees coming out, and man, it felt amazing. But as you see from our shop floor, the AC drain from the evaporator core is leaking. So I'm gonna price this even. Well, no, I can't. I'm gonna have to call a dealership, get a price on the evaporator core, and look up labor time for this. I don't even want to know how much time it's going to take, because I'm pretty sure the whole console is going to have to come out, which may or may not mean that the seats have to come out. Y'all stay tuned on H.A.M.